Dito tayo ngayon sa Avida Centera in Mandaluyong City. Meron tayong i-check na new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the unit. 15th floor lang. Studio. Around 23 square meters. Starting bid price is around 2.5 million. And yan ang view niya. Ano to, Recowa, di ba? Recowa, and may view ng amenities ng ibang condo.
Facing south.
Flare Towers yan eh.
Facing south. Hindi siya mainit.
Facing south. So dadaan lang yung araw. And then yung Paragon yan, oh. Pero in the future, hindi mo alam kung mabibenta rin yung ano na yan eh. Yung Recowa na yan, tatayuan din eh. Ang laki niya pala, no? Ang laki pala nitong Recowa. Tagos siya hanggang doon sa EDSA eh, di ba?
Parang letter L.
Oo. So, as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover.
Minimal
Yan.
lang.
Minimal lang repairs lang and then repainting. Yan. Mode of payment natin is cash or at least 10% down payment. And then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. Laki ng CR niya. Oh. So mukhang natirhan siya kasi may gamit dito eh.
Kita pala ko yung pinunta natin ng Papa.
Maganda naman yung view niya eh. Oh.
Maluwanan nga eh.
Over and under cabinets. Konting lang, repaint lang. So, if interesado kayo dito, messages directly. Clubhouse. Ito niya, function area. Dito lahat ng amenities sa first floor. Bali itong Avida Centera, meron siyang 4-level na podium for parking. And then first floor mag-start yung residential. So technically parang 5th floor na siya. And then andun na rin yung mga amenities. Tulad nito, parang outdoor gym. Okay. And then andito yung yan. Swimming pool, adult pool, kiddie pool. Dito kompleto silang lahat. And then alam ko meron tayong gym dito eh. Ayan. Ito yung indoor gym niya. Pero nag-workout. Naka-indoor gym niya. Tapos dito yung swimming pool. Ang ganda rito in fairness. Oh. Daming swimming pool. Yan. Ilan yan? Parang 4 na swimming pools. And then may mga pocket gardens tayo. So meron tayo ditong available na mga units for bidding for as low as around 2.5 million. So below market value na po yun and zonal. Kasi mga pre-selling dito na condo units na under ng Ayala is nasa magkano ba? 7 to 8 million. Diba? So messages directly if interesado kayo dito. Ganda oh, daming swimming pools. Then may parks and playground din tayo. Ayan.